friends, this is Amrita Choudhary from class 6. Today we will learn about components of food. In the previous chapter, we have learned about the sources of food. There are two types of sources, plant source and animal source. But in this chapter, we are going to learn about components of food. First, nutrition required. We require the major nutrients, carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, dietary fiber or roughage and water. First, if a item contains more fats or any nutrients, it is said to be rich source of fats or of any nutritions. First, we are going to learn about carbohydrate. We need energy to do all the activities. So, the carbohydrates gives us energy for doing this all activities, and it is the staple food for all the world. The rich sources of carbohydrate is wheat, potato, barley, etc. So now fats. Fats also provides us energy. If we take equal amount of fat and carbohydrate, the fats will give us more energy than the carbohydrate. So, proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of the human body. The proteins is plant source and animal source. The rich sources of protein is milk, sprouts, meat, fish, etc. Vitamins. Vitamins play an important role in the human body. There are mainly 13 types of vitamins recognized in the plant source and animal source. There are two types of vitamin, water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. In fat soluble vitamin, there is vitamin A, D, K, A, and these vitamins are stored for the later use. But in water vitamin, it is the opposite of the fat vitamins. The water vitamins are vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 and C. These are not stored for the later use. So now minerals. Minerals also provides the minerals also builds our muscles and for proper functioning of the brain, nerve system. So dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are the fibers that does not makes the constipation and helps in poops. Now next is water. Water is the most part of the nutritions. It contains in all these nutritions as we prepare or cook. The water helps us for maintaining a temperature. So now balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutritions in equal amount is called the balanced diet. Let us make the pyramid of balanced diet. First, here will be So carbohydrates are carbohydrates, and in next part there is proteins. There is not proteins, there is vitamin and minerals. Okay. In next there is proteins. Okay. I am not writing the full spelling. And in the last there is fats. And this is our the food pyramid that we are the carbohydrates we have to eat the most, then vitamins and minerals, then proteins, then fats. We have to eat the least fat. Now, deficiency diseases. If the body is not taking the sufficient nutrition for the long period of time, we get the deficiency diseases. So, now we are going to learn about which vitamins deficiency used to give the deficiency diseases. First, vitamin A. Night blindness. Next, vitamin B complex. B gives us beriberi. Vitamin C used to give if we not take sufficient vitamin C, we got scurvy. And vitamin D, we got rickets. Okay. In vitamin A, night blindness, we cannot see in the night. And in beriberi, our gums are so the gums problem in scurvy. In beriberi, there is weakness of muscles and there is a poor growth of children. Okay. In rackets, there is weakness of bones, and the bones gets soft and easily break, and it stops the growth of the children and elders also. So now next, axis of taking these deficiency. The axis of taking this nutrition. We get obesity, just like we have problems of breathing, and we get more fat. Okay. And in this video, we have learned about nutrition required, what our body needs, and what our body needs. In carbohydrate, that we have learned that what is the rich source of carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamin, minerals, dietary fiber and water. These are the nutritions. And in balanced diet, we have made the pyramid, food pyramid. And in deficiency diseases, we have learned about the vitamin A, what causes the vitamin A if it does not take the enough vitamin A, B, C and D. In axis, we have learned about the in axis of taking of these vitamins, nutrition. Just like you take the fats in more axis, you get obesity and heart problems also. So at last, thanks for watching.